Yo, yo. Wednesday. Gold is edging us at all-time highs. Gold is edging all-time highs, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm going to start with some top-down analysis and just see what's happening. See what's happening over here. I'll straight up just mark this all-time high spot. So I know what a lot of traders are thinking right now. They're coming into today's session, and let me tell you what they're thinking in 1 second. Remove alert. Traders are thinking, well, the market has rallied all day. It's pushed up all day throughout the Asia session. It's come into an extremely strong level of resistance, which is up here, all through here. So let me take a sell, because what's the probability of it continuing up, right? So the mindset is, let me take a sell, because the probability of it continuing furthermore, it's just like, that can't be true. That's the wrong mindset, I believe. I'm bullish on the day. I don't care how much it's pushed. I don't care. It can push for the next 10 years. If it's moving up, it's moving up. So why not just get on the move? Why not just react to what the market's actually doing, not what you think it might do? Because I guarantee 90% of traders are thinking, yep, I'm taking sells. And they could be right. But all I know is I'm going into the market, looking at what it's doing and reacting to that. And what it's doing right now is pushing up. So daily, daily's just showing bullish momentum for the last 3 days. 4 hourly hasn't printed a red candle in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. Strong 1 hourly close. Very strong 1 hourly close. Right on that strong level of resistance. .30-minute. Looks like it's starting to create a bit of support. Cool. And we've got CPI tonight as well, so it's like we might not get a ton of movement until, CPI at 10:30. 1 second. My light was just too bright, man. Too flippin' bright. All right. How gangster is my little light back here? Let me see what other colors I can play with. This is probably the litness. All right, so what's up with you, Gold? Let's have a look. What is up with you, Mr. Gold? All right, I'm going to straight up mark this area. It's like this pre-area just before all-time highs, where no one's really been able to break. I'll actually bring it to the 15. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. And then the actual all-time high is right there. Might change this color to purple. It's kind of tricky, like when now to find like a support level when you've got such bullish momentum. It becomes a bit more tricky to find a level of support. So I would say somewhere around here would be a support level. Say about there. What's this pip range? Yeah, it's a good 50 pip range. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. We're all set. Make sure C trader's all set. Cool. Now this is a very interesting situation right here. If this 15-minute candle closes above this range, I've got to make a decision on, do I trust that this 15 candle is a strong enough close to continue up? Because the 15-minute candle isn't a very strong confirmation candle. I want ideally a 30-minute candle to close in that area. It's much more stronger confirmation. So I'm going to have to wait and see what happens with this candle closure, and act accordingly. Actually, here we go. So this will actually be, okay, I'll take that back. Wow. If it does close up here, if that 15 does close up here, that'll be the 30-minute closure, which is a stronger confirmation. So I'll want the next one to come down, create a wick, and then flip and continue up, and I'll take a buy. There's these two very strong wicks right here. I wonder if it'll get past. There's only one way to find out. I'm not going to sit on the side. I'm not going to sit on the sidelines, because it's all-time highs and it's this and it's that and it's scary and it's, man, just make a decision. That's what it's all about. We're here to trade, not to be scared. A lot of rejection here, but the reason I'm not scared of these rejections here is because also, if this 30-minute does close above this range, none of these rejections had that before. These rejections were candles that had shot up and then just immediately shut down. This will be an actual closure up there, which will indicate much more strength than what these other candles indicated. You know? It's looking pretty nice. I'll only be taking this position as well if it gives me a wick. I need a wick down after this 30-minute break. Just gonna put this here just to kind of gauge. Nice. Jump over to C Trader. Like, I'll be honest, I feel a bit of fear knowing that it's at like such a key level, like all-time highs. It just seems like this kind of unpredictable zone. But I'm also in my head going, does this trade tick the boxes of what I look for when I want to take a trade? Yes. So am I going to listen to my fear of these things or the reality of what is being presented to me? I'm going to listen to the reality of what's being presented to me. Good, this is exactly what I wanted to see. The only thing I don't want is just to flip back in the first 1 minute, so I'll delete this. If it flips back in the first 1 minute, I don't know if I'll take it. It's looking good. I mean, so far, if this flips back, that's like textbook trade for me. That 15 is a very bullish candle. No bottom wick, no top wick. Indicates a lot of buy-in pressure. But alternatively, I've also got to think on the other end, if it doesn't flip, is there an opportunity for a sell? Maybe. If I see the right things. The only issue it's created with making such a steep wick here is it kind of messes with my potential stop loss. It's a pretty steep stop loss, so I'd have to kind of... Yeah, there's not a whole bunch I could do in terms of stop loss. Let's see what happens. If it breaks this zone here, the trade's invalid. I'd really like to not see this 15 break this area. If it goes lower than that, I'll delete my buy stop order. And then potentially start looking for opportunities to sell instead. It also goes to show, like, at such a... Yeah, I'll delete this buy stop order that I had set. But at such a, like, pivotal level where, you know, edging all-time highs, there's a lot of probably tendency to, you know, it's kind of like that idea of, like, who's going to go first? And then you get this 30-minute candle close with no top wick. It immediately rejects because there's no range that's really been created. There's obviously a bit of fear to kind of go. So it's just rejected off that area. That, like, no top wick, it's like 50-50 whether it's just going to completely reverse or continue to edge its way up. But the only thing it was edging was me. It was edging buys. Hang on, let me actually delete my order here. So now I've got to think, like, is there an opportunity to sell here? I'll be interested to see how this 15 closes and if it creates a bit of a wick for me, test back up in this area and then continues down, I might take a sell. and that'd be a fake out trade for me. That's like a part of my plan. That's one of my entries, is these fake out trades, because we're still got a 27 pip range to this next level of support. The fuck? If I get something like this candle closes like this. Boom. Next one to wick up. If it can wick up like that and continue down, I'll enter about here on a sell with anticipation of a continuation down to this range. Or alternatively, create a bit of support here. For the next one to continue down. Wow, 40 pip rejection. All right, there goes that idea. I'm gonna have to wait for some support to be formed around here for a continuation back up. Nah, I'll miss that trade. Oh, how many people just took sells when it wicked down a little bit there? And now they're in drawdown and they're thinking, shit, man, I thought this was going to continue. Now that we're right in the middle of that range, yeah, I just have to wait. I'll have to wait for probably an hour or two now for some new support to be formed back at this support level. I put sells below here. I probably wouldn't take sells. The range is too disgusting to the left hand side. So I'm actually going to take that. I'll be actually looking at buys. And this buy above range has to be moved as well now. To there. Wow. If you want to replace your Bugatti's headlights, it costs $160,000 US just to fucking change the Bugatti lights, headlights. That's crazy. Costs as much as a new Porsche. All right, I'll be back in a bit. There's no point sitting here waiting, watching, but I'll be back once. I'm going to put an alert here. Boom, and I'll put an alert here. Boom. I'll be back. It's not looking too nice, to be honest. Yeah, there's just not enough that's kind of in accordance with my strategy that's been presented. This is a very tempting. Nah. I'll wait for this 4 hour to close. What a crazy rejection area. Look at all these wicks. I was considering taking a buy here. I hesitated. It's pretty good, I guess. It's just not exactly what I wanted to see, that's all. I guess I'll miss out on that one. Potentially it could come back, I don't know. That's pretty painful. It's just, it wasn't exactly what I wanted to see. I'd rather wait to see exactly what I want to see. Wow. It's a bit of a shame. Oh, that's pretty painful. Wow. Oh, the pain. Oh, that really sucks. The feeling of missing a trade is like fucking worse than... Look at it, pushing. Oh, it's already at 125 pips. Yeah, I kind of shit the bed there, to be honest. I could have. That's pretty nice setup it had there. Oh, gee. Alright, I've got to stop dwelling on it. But fuck, that sucks. That's exactly what I was looking for here. I was waiting for some support to be created. A wick down and then a continuation up. And it would have set up perfect to add on. Anyway. 3 minutes till this 4-hour candle closes. Let's see what happens. I might look at a, if this 4 hour flips bullish, I'll look at taking a buy. If it breaks its own high to fill that week. Cancel that. I'll wait for this 15 to close. Damn. It just might be one of them days where no trades are taken. I might have already missed my opportunity, which was right here, where I hesitated. It might just be a no trade day. Yeah, I really fucking dropped the ball here. Bruh. It's really giving us fucking nothing, man. Wait, it's fucking lit. Like for kids, it's epic. It's got fishing. It's got like got time zone. It's got bowling, mini golf, and a zoo. So no ostrich and shit. Yeah, honestly, it's fucking. If you ever bought it with your own kids, I love it. It's pretty. It's like pretty overpriced. It's like $50 a head. But yeah. Yeah, it was like weirdly expensive, but it was at the end of the day, I guess it was worth it. 'Cause you do get everything. Bro, you stole mine. Rats. I'm gonna go on my back and just oh shit. Alright. Sorry about that.
Turn my music off.
Huh? You just muted yourself. You're on mute. You muted yourself.
Yeah, I can hear you now. I didn't know if my music was coming through. Have you changed the setting this time?
Yeah, I just changed it.
Oh, good.
You're all good.
Don't want to be violent. Why are you talking to yourself?
What is up?
I haven't actually for much yet, so
Have you taken anything yet?
no, I left it, like I said. Literally only just
Oh, you've only just jumped on, hey?
Yeah, it did come to the zone I wanted to go at like 6 o'clock, but I would have missed it.
Mm.
Oh well.
Yeah,
you
fucking.
taken anything?
I missed a trade from hesitation. I was meant to enter this candle right here at the break of these, and it just fucking shot up. But it just, you know, it's like it just wasn't exactly what I wanted to see. So I just, it's probably better to not take a trade. But it
Yeah.
was painful to see it shoot up.
Yeah, I get that sometimes. And then I do enter and it just goes to plus.
But we might have had the moves for the London session now because of CPI tonight
What is that?
at 10:30. So it's like there might not be anything else until CPI.
Yeah, you see that green candle there? Actually, I'm seeing if I actually would have entered that at 6 o'clock.
What's that?
Yeah, I probably would have got an entry at 6 o'clock, but it's coming back to my zone.
Like a long or short?
Probably long. It would have been those group of three green candles that I would have caught.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Look, but you go off the 1 minute, so we'll go the 1 minute.
yeah.
This is the push
So you
here.
see that bottom zone there? You
Yeah.
got the same zones marked out as I do. That bottom one, yeah. Would have been somewhere up there.
Hmm.
You haven't taken a trade yet?
Hmm?
You haven't taken a trade yet?
No, there was that trade that I showed you before I should have taken, but I didn't. And then other than that, nothing's really presented itself.
Same.
Don't think it really will.
You're not going to look for any cells or?
If I get a break below here, but nah, not even that. I don't want to. Look how messy this is. There's no
That's
like
it.
clean range of like, oh, there's support, there's resistance. Just like,
I'm wondering if it's going to keep continuing down. Like, I would be looking for a buy, but it just looks like it's going in reverse.
oh, I'm bullish. I think it's gonna go up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want to look for a buy, but I don't know if it's going to keep going down once it gets to that zone.
Just wait for your entry signal.
Yes, that's the point of it.
But yeah, CPI is obviously either going to push it up past all-time highs or back down.
I think it'll actually let me look. I'm good at I'm good at.
Oh, she's a news predictor.
Got it right last time,
Then you must get it right every time.
almost every time. Most time. I don't trade it though. What are we? Wednesday. Forecast 0.2%. Yeah, I think it'll shoot up.
Wow. Yeah, nice.
Just looking at the
Everyone put buy stops in. We've got the news
Alice says
fucking
goodbye.
predictor. She
Yeah,
has
bye.
put the signal out, ladies and gentlemen.
What are you even up to?
This, exactly this, all night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I said, I missed my only real opportunity.
Yeah, I may. Not sure. I can't share screen, can I?
No, but you can tell me and I'll try and pull it up.
Go to the 1 minute. I would ideally want it to take that liquidity there,
Down
create
here.
an FEG. Yeah, create an FEG and then enter the third week of that FEG.
On a buy.
But then I probably won't enter because it's quite bullish at the moment.
And what's an
High
FEG?
singles.
One of these things over here? These
No,
weeks?
like the gaps. The gaps. You like a gap between three candles.
Like that?
Yes. Yeah,
Wow.
exactly. Yep.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah, I mean, no, no. It's really been like, yeah, I'm not sure. I might just watch it.
Mm.
I don't
Yeah.
usually read this late. No. I mean, it's entered the zone I want it to,
Oh, wait, we have
and
one
there's a
minute.
nice FUG.
Is it getting FEG?
Hmm?
Is it creating all the FEGs you want?
Yeah, kind of.
Is it that thing there? Is this the FEG you're looking at?
Yeah, but I'm maybe just because of like the 4 hours bullish, the bearish, and I'm not a fan of it. So
Mm.
'cause it has like it's went to that top zone and then reverse.
But it could be just creating a
Mm,
bottom wick for it to flip
mm,
bullish.
we'll wait and see.
Fair value gap.
Oh, my friends are in New Zealand and they're going to the snow tomorrow.
Mm. Friends.
Friends. Oh, oh, I don't want to. No, I think okay,
Hmm?
I might enter.
Is it creating what you want to see?
Yeah, yeah, but I don't know where my stop loss is. Fuck, going too quick.
Well, your stop would be at the bottom of this zone, wouldn't it?
Yeah, no, that's not valid for me anymore.
Oh, really?
Well, I don't like when it like enters the gap and then it goes down again. I prefer it when it like goes straight through and like inverses it.
Mm.
Right. Yep. Yeah, no.
Look how it's freaking. There's so much volume. Look at this big gap it just left.
Yeah,
That's when it's just like pushing it, just like no time.
I'm gonna be very careful. Being weird, I don't like that. I'm not. I was looking at GU as well, but GU's not really not looking good.
GU.
I don't want to enter because of FOMO, but it'll also be shit if it does shoot up.
Mm. Well, it's really just as simple as it creating what you want to see. If it is,
Mm,
cool. If it's not, scrap it.
yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
So is it or it's not? Or
Well, it's
it's done
built the
something that's
gap,
made it
and
invalid.
it's invalid for me now.
Okay.
I probably would have to go down and make another one, but oh, okay. How long have you been on the stream for?
Too long.
Mm.
My brain's starting to get fried.
Yeah, it's not good.
So I'll stay on for a little
Not
bit
good.
longer and then
Mm,
pull the
I'm
plug.
not sure. Not sure I see much. Did you win?
No.
No.
What happened at Pilates?
Hard work. Hard work on the arms, on the legs.
Really?
Really good though. So expensive, but it's worth it. They give us like this for like an intro thing. I paid $50 to get like 6 classes, which is so good.
Oh yeah.
The classes are like $30 each. But yeah, it's pretty good. Mm. You've been doing much other than trading today.
Just work, gym, read, trade.
Usual.
I'm nearly finished my book. Because
What the trading one?
yeah, since I got that,
Yeah.
I haven't read the other one at all. I've just been reading this trade one because I just feel like it's more needed for right now.
Mm. Oh yeah, definitely. I always find with the other one as well. I always seem to pick it up when, and it'll always, I don't know why, but it'll always like relate to some sort of situation that's going on.
Mm.
So weird. I'm up to happy 6 now though.
Oh,
You'll have to give me the other book once you finish it though. I'll
yeah,
give
you
it
can
back
have
once
it.
I
You can
finish
borrow
it.
it.
But yeah, it'll be good. What's the big what's probably the best thing you've read in there so far?
Probably not one singular thing. Just overall, the whole premise. He speaks about behaving the opposite of the 90% of failing traders,
Mm.
and he's just talking about some of the key things that he's noticed. It's funny, there was something that he was speaking about in it because he's been in like these big institutional trading centers and banks and institutional trading places and done all the talks and done all the shit, and he's been around the best of the best, and he said
Yeah.
there was this one guy in particular. The market was dropping and dropping and dropping like all day, and he had like these indicators and all this type of shit that he's always used for trading. Anyway, because the market had been dropping so much, and his indicators and what he understood about the fundamentals and everything, he was like, okay, I'm going to put in a buy position because the probability of it continuing to drop is so little, and plus all my indicators, all my trading friends, and the news is implying that it's going to go back up. Anyway,
Yeah.
so he's going in drawdown because it's still dropping, and he's adding positions to his drawdown position because if it does eventually come back, then he's going to be in even more profits. And
Yeah.
he's very set on this idea of like this is what's most likely going to happen, Anyway, his wife walks in the room, and she can obviously see that he's like visibly distressed. And she's like, "What's up?" And he's like, "Oh, look, like I'm just in a bit of drawdown, but I know it's coming back. Like I know it's going to reverse." And she's looking at the chart, and she goes, "But it's going down." And he's like, "Yeah, I know it's going down, but it's going to reverse." And she's like, "But right now it's going down." And he's like getting angry at her a bit. And then he says, "What did you say?" And she goes, "Like right now I'm looking at the charts and it's going down." And he immediately closed all his positions, and he realized he's trading for what he thinks, not what is actually happening. And he's like, that is what so many traders do. Like, and I've done that a million times as well. It's like, oh no, I think this is going to happen. It's like, but it's not happening now. So why would you do something that's not happening now? And it's like, fuck, that's so true. That was just like, I read today. It was.
That's almost like the FOMO too. No, I don't know. That makes sense though. Definitely, because I had a couple reversal wins the other day.
Reversal wins.
And I tried it again. I tried it again from like a zone that looked like, very clear, like resistant or support zone. And it still like matched my strategy, but I tried it again. And obviously, like I haven't tested reversal, so probably wasn't the best idea taking it, but I tried it again with another trade and it lost. But
what do you mean by reversal?
I thought, well, like when it hits like a support or resistance zone, like say with gold, for example, where it's wicked up and then gone down, something like that, where it's just like bouncing between a range.
Yep.
And yeah, I took the trade like that, and it was like, I think this is going to do this again.
Right.
But obviously didn't.
Yeah. And that's off the 1 minute?
Yeah. Obviously, like higher time frames for the resistance and support zones and all that, but lower from Andrew.
Yeah. If there's no way that anyone's taken sells on this position, like look at all this junk to the left.
No.
Like, what is the probability of like a clean candle just cutting through all of this shit? It's like, no.
No. I'm waiting for a buy.
You want this type of shit.
Gone
you
into
want
this zone.
Clean. Like, obviously, you can see maybe there's a zone there it might tap into, but I'll tell you what I'll do. If I see this, I'll take a buy. If this...
You're gonna,
If this ends up flipping and leaving a wick like this, well, obviously now it's going to be like this.
I'd probably be catching a buy too if it makes an SPG. But there's no gaps no other gaps being created at the moment.
I would enter here and then on that one.
Nice.
For expectation of this.
It's interesting.
Expectation for it to shoot off the fucking screen.
CPI.
Yeah.
Full forward.
Fully.
I've never full forwarded before, and I've never wanted to, but I see so much about it.
I have. And it worked.
You have?
And that
really?
was even worse than if it didn't work, because then it reinforced this bad habit.
Yeah. That's why I don't like getting rewarded for bad behaviour, because it makes me think more.
That's why I just don't.
Yeah.
Just a famous just don't.
Just don't spiral again. You always do it when you're in profit.
I feel like really good lately because I know I've got 4 entries and I know exactly what they look like, and I'm like, if I just simply only enter on exactly that, sweet. I feel like before, like even like a couple weeks ago, I kind of, I don't know.
Crazy how much can change in a couple weeks though.
Yeah, you just need to have a couple mental breakdowns.
Yeah. just cry a little bit. Fine. Better.
Just punch your pillow. I think when I blew my account, I'm just like, punching my pillow like, you're an idiot. Why? Stupid, stupid. Like that fucking kid on TikTok. Stupid, stupid.
It's so funny. I've done that so many times.
What
Sometimes-
part?
Just sometimes I don't care and I just want to watch the account go down. 'Cause I know
Yeah.
it's gone. And I just sit there and I'm like,
Yeah, you're just like, I've got autism. That's it. Like, it's official.
yeah, I'm just stupid. Stupid. Been sitting for ages.
What's that?
I've been waiting for ages.
You or me?
Both. Been pretty much looking for the same things, just on different time frame.
I've been here for 3.5 hours.
Wow. Yeah. I think I told you I was waiting once from 5 till 10 to get a setup.
Like, this candle is obviously broken under the support and it's wicked up, but it's just like, it's too messy down here for this to come down. How many? So it's two hours till CPI. It's like, I don't know if we're gonna get much more.
Kind of risky, but
It's always super choppy before CPI or
yeah.
like big news events. See, this is kind of what I wanted to see anyway. Do this, bruh.
Are you seeing what you want it to?
I want to see that. I want to see that 15 close like that.
Oh, yeah, you might
And then I
get
want
an
to see
entry
that.
before I do.
An entry before you do. Let's have a look at the 1 minute.
Yeah, because if I don't get any gaps, I don't get an entry, but yours can just go up and hit you at the point that you want it and you'll get like a good entry.
Is this not a gap?
No, it's not one that I'd enter because I'd be looking for solds if I wanted to fill that one.
Oh, it's
I
other
wouldn't
way
enter
around,
it because
shit.
it's, yeah. See, I invest it. Some people, they like that gap before, how the candle entered and then it went down. That's what a lot of people look for, but I look for it to inverse, to keep going in the same direction. Oh yeah, did I tell you I'm gonna go 100 days no drinking?
100 days of no drinking, starting when you get back from Sydney.
No, started
yeah.
already. Started after my birthday.
That's good.
I don't know how many days I'm in. Most I've done is a month, and that was back in November. I'm 11 days in. 11 days out of 100.
I feel like that's semi-cheating though, because you wouldn't drink in Sydney.
Oh, I would.
Really?
I would, yeah.
Okay.
I usually go out for like a cocktail or something.
Oh wow. I think that's gonna be so good for you.
Yeah, it'll be good. Just detox. I did it for like a month, and I'm like, if I know I can do it for a month, and I thought like, well, I know a better time than do it in Sydney where I'm just like away from everything.
Yeah.
So I can get a good start to it, and then I just got to keep it going through October and November.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then OD in December.
Yeah. Yeah, I just black out. I can black out at Christmas. Like fun.
What's the probability of this hitting this area and wicking back up?
Well, I have a gap but
She's got a gap, ladies and gentlemen. She has a gap. Fuck me, there's a lot of
yeah.
volume. Where's the gap here?
Yeah. But there's another small one, but
So when do you do that? When do you enter? When it goes back there or something?
I always set stop orders. So I'd be looking at a buy stop, and probably set my stop loss. Just below.
Where's your buy stop at? What number?
2521.4.
2521.
Stop loss 19 hits. Be nice.
Oh, okay, so it's back in the zone semi-ly. Yeah, nice. I think, yeah, if it goes back there, there's a pretty decent probability of it going up.
I'm gonna set it. Okay,
Look at that. What a wizard I am. The probability of it wicking off there.
well, if I get my entry, it's likely you'll probably get your entry too. Put my TP at that next zone.
What number? Like below that wick?
252. I put my stop loss at 219.5.
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We will see how it goes. And I'm not gonna cry. That's it. Not just my rules. I'm happy with it.
No, I think if it goes back up here, it should go up for sure.
Yeah, it feels refreshing. Like checking the charts all day.
The only thing is that
so composed, listed all day.
Oh yeah, you didn't look at them and stuff.
Yep.
Nice.
You just see on my phone what this would be. Oh.
What?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. That's what you wanted.
Yeah. It's just like, are you watching it?
No, it's looking pretty nice. It looks like that 30-minute is trying to break back in the zone.
Yeah, see, that's what I like when it goes through the zone instead of hitting it and then reversing out. And if it does start to go down again, I'll just remove it. But it looks like my tap in. Oh. I want that.
What's that?
It just, if the handle was bearish, I'm probably going to cancel it. Yeah. Not valid for me.
Why is that?
And just because it, it entered and it went down again. It entered the gap and it's.
Oh, in the 1 minute it did something you didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Basically, until it fills the gap completely, it's not valid.
Oh, okay.
For me, anyways. I have a feeling it might tap into that the other candle from the 1 hour. You see that green one?
What are you saying?
Wait, do you think it'll come down there and then reverse up?
Down where? If it's gonna tap into a zone next on the 1 hour to be here.
Yeah, it's like around there. Or it could keep going down.
If this 30 breaks that previous 30's wick, it's probably gonna shoot down.
Mm. I hate when it bounces around like this.
I've still got a potential entry if it does something like this.
Are you planning on streaming tomorrow?
Yeah.
All day, every day?
Every day. Forever.
Forever and ever. 24/7.
I've just got to get less bored.
Yeah, I don't know what you can do to.
No, it's alright.
It's a shame because that gap was perfect, but I just. Yeah.
I'm still so surprised you haven't looked into ICT.
No, I'm not gonna clutter. I decided I don't want to clutter my head with any more strategies because.
It's no, he created your strategy.
Oh, well, I've found refugees on. Actually, no, I think I was trying to.
ICT created the FVGs and the freaking divergence gaps and all this shit.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know that. I think someone mentioned it to me in a Telegram or Discord group or something about it. And I kind of worked out to put it into my strategy, and I found it worked nicely. Yeah, that would have just tapped into where I had an entry, but oh well, I didn't like it. I'm not gonna get FOMO, although it hurts. But
yeah,
you might get a month entry.
This would be perfect.
Tell me what you enter and I'll do it on my personal account.
Okay. Gotta wait for this 15 to close. A patient trader is a paid trader. We get paid to wait.
He's absolutely paid. But I'm not entering, then losing.
But this is a good sign. Like, look, this is a new higher low. Higher high being created now. If we can close back in the range, be a good sign.
Is there anyone watching your stream right now?
No.
Oh. All the loyal fans.
All the loyals there.
Mm.
Billions of fans around the world. Like a guy that you know that Aaron guy, the Aussie trader.
Yes, I think so.
I think I showed you the other week, and you're like, oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like one of his, when I was in his community when I first started, there was a guy that was in there, and he must have been pretty new as well. And anyway, he stayed in the community, and he started a live stream today. But like has all Aaron's community people in the stream, so everyone from the community like came to his stream.
Oh,
And it was like his
nice.
first stream, and it was like 50 something people watching. I was like, must be
Oh, wow.
nice.
Wow.
But
Oh, wow.
no, it's funny.
Well, you don't post every time you go live, do you?
No,
No.
I honestly don't even mind. I'll build
Well, it's
people
good
over
for
time.
discipline. Good for discipline.
Yeah, build people like over time.
Mm,
Right
Yeah,
now,
well,
it's
it
just
would've-
about doing shit.
yeah, it's definitely helped though.
Yeah. Probably
So I've started.
tap into
I was
this.
gonna do stuff with TikTok, but I think sometimes I screen record my screen, and it keeps me more disciplined with my entries.
Mm.
It's like as if I'm streaming, you know.
Wait, what?
Then create another. So like I will screen record my screen,
Yeah.
and I'll like make notes as if I'm gonna post it somewhere, but I just don't post anywhere. So
Oh,
it keeps me disciplined. But I haven't done that for. I haven't done it all week yet, but yeah. I want it to come back in the zone, and I don't know.
back down here.
Yeah, it's.
It might. It should. I think it will.
It can.
It's probably
Ignore
going to tap
my
into this
FTP.
resistance. Yeah. And reject.
Yeah, see that 6 o'clock one was like perfect because it created my FBG and it went straight through and up.
Straight through your FEG.
What I want.
The fairest value.
First value gaps off them all.
Yeah. Fuck, what were we just talking about?
The guy on his streams.
Yeah, that was something else. Oh, yeah, social media stuff.
mm,
Yeah, I was thinking about posts on TikTok.
good. I've done a couple. I did a couple trading videos for TikTok.
Oh, you've thrown someone Tiki?
Nothing with the charts, but yeah, nothing with the charts yet. I posted that video you took of me when I was really sad.
Oh, wow.
I just thought it was so funny.
See, we could get another one here and be like, the face of happiness when you win millions of dollars. Billions. Yeah, old mate in that trading book as well, he's very big on adding to positions,
Really.
adding to winning positions. He said if you look through all the
Yeah.
brokers, like because the brokers' databases, and then you look at something that the winning traders do differently, they add to their winning positions. It's like fucking 15, 20 pages on just that.
What I've done before, like double it, but it's also very risky, I think, for funded accounts. I think I think when I'm profitable and when I'm like making consistent money, I think I'd be more confident to do that.
Yeah, it's a time thing.
But like I feel like it's all about knowing, like knowing it, once you've done your strategy enough, you'll probably be super confident to do that.
His whole premise behind it is like this idea of like you've got to lock into like, if you believe in a trade, then you lock in on it and you add to it when it gets to them levels because you believe in it. And he's very big on like holding your trades, and you know, even if it does turn around, you're building that mental toughness, that mental resilience of like, again, going against like all the, his thing is like, be as unhuman as possible, because all your human emotions tell you to, oh shit, the fear, like what if it does this or it does that. It's like no, you gotta fuck all that shit off. 3 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes. We got 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. We have CPR.
And you're going for a buy.
What's that?
You go for a buy.
If it wicks down, it flips and stuff, yeah. Well.
There's another FVG, but it'll just have its keys.
FVG. Oh. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Love it. I'm conflicted.
Don't you leave without us, motherfucker. I will find you and I will kill you. Oh no, he's breaking his own high. We could be in trouble here.
And you think it's going to keep going?
Oh, no, I don't know. It is a bit of a tricky buy though. There's like a fucking mini support there. A mini support. Oh, sorry, resistance on the 30. The 1 hour's leaving a big old fat wick, which is also a little bit scary because wicks tend to get filled. But on the 30, this could be considered a fake out. It came down and rejected straight back into the zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. With 50 seconds. Let's see how emotional we can get. Come on.
I'm crying on stream.
That would go viral.
And I get another SVG.
Oh, but now it's going down too far. What are you doing here, big dog?
Well, it might come back in the zone, but it's come in that zone so many times. Like,
look how aggressive it's moving. If it breaks down here, I'm out.
Like past the red wick.
Yeah, like anywhere in this zone here. 2 seconds, 2, 1. Oh, that's yeah, no, it's alright. It's alright. It's a little bit less ideal, so I'm gonna, if I take this, I'm gonna lower my lot size a little bit to 40.
I may have an entry, it depends how this is.
You might have an entry.
Yeah.
I'll put a buy. I'm gonna put a buy stop in.
Where's your entry?
My entry is. Let me zoom out. Fuck me. C trader, you're fucking annoying. Yeah, my entry is at 55 to 251280.
Oh, 25. What?
251280.
1, 2, or 2, 2?
Two. Oh, yeah, let me go over to trading view.
Because I'm looking at 2522.6.
No, 25. Oh, what the fuck? Is it different on? 252180.
Would be perfect.
Do you know where that is?
252180.
Yeah.
Okay, so your entries would be just before mine. Oh, perfect. Okay. That's quite perfect. I've got mine at
If that goes up there, I'm pretty confident in this.
252.6.
What's that?
I've got mine at 2522.6.
Fuck me, look at that just shoot up. I'm officially tagged in.
Are you tagged? I'm not tagged in yet.
It just fucking rocketed. The only thing I don't like is
Where's
it's
your-
done it within like the first... Oh no, it's alright, 2.5 minutes in.
Where's your TP?
Oh, way up here, but I'll take partials along the way.
Yeah.
My TP is literally to fill this range again. But I'm very likely
wait.
won't.
Come on. I'm almost tagged in.
Go, you little ripper.
Oh, no, don't do it. Wait, where's your stop log?
Below these other wicks on the 15.
Don't you dare go back into that zone, otherwise I will not be taking an entry. We've pretty much got the same trade.
If it breaks its own wick, I'll take off like 65%. It's a pretty textbook trade for me. The only thing is it's a bit close to news, but other than that, it's a good little trade.
Yeah, it's on the same thing again, so I'm not entering.
The FVG has been deactivated.
Yeah. Although I did pretty much have the same entry as you a little bit after that same sort of point.
Same entry, different shit. What's a 4-hour doing?
Wait, so you're in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oof.
Your boy is in the game.
You hear my throat making noise? Just
No.
okay, good. The demon noises. I like it, but it's I want to prepare. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna.
An hour and 45 before an hour and 40 minutes before news. Bit fucking dodgy, but
Risky.
the game you play. with the big dogs. Oh wow, they won Fortnite when I wasn't playing. Typical.
I'm nervous like watching the trade once it's actually like running.
What's that?
You know when you're just like watching the trade, I hate it. So much anxiety. I don't have a trade open for now.
So look to take off 65 at Bricks Zone Wick.
Third have a no other entry. That would depend if this candle goes down and then it stays down and then it goes straight up. Stay down.
What's that?
I was hoping that the trade would become a nice, another good shoe, but
I'm going to be approaching 4 hours screen time. I might as well just do a 24-hour stream.
really, yeah, all nighter, all through New York.
24-hour stream. How much money can I blow? Be so hard to stay like mentally focused doing a full 24-hour trading session.
It would be.
You need like that mental fucking sharpness.
Just to just have no emotion going up.
I remember when I was coming in, I remember seeing some fucking TikTok kid. He's like, I did a 24-hour trading session. And I was like, wow, that's sick. But now that I'm in, like, you know, I'm like, bro, you didn't do shit. Like,
no.
Like, he like took like a freaking a bunch of different trades and was like, okay, this is how much I made. It's like, it's such bullshit. He's like 18. So what 18-year-old has the ability, what anyone has the ability to trade every different session 24 hours and become out profitable? It's like, fuck off.
No.
That's not how it
why I
works.
lost so much money.
Huh?
That's why I lose so much money. Lose and lose and lose. But we're not gonna lose, we're gonna win.
You can do whatever.
Actually, no, I saw something that said you need to go in thinking you're gonna lose, so then don't get disappointed about losing.
Yeah, I don't care. Like, yeah. Bruh. Let's have a look where 14 pips ish is. Oh wow. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I'll take fucking most of my position there if it gets there. That's 20 something pips.
Right, so what time? CPI
10:30. Why is that?
No,
You're
just
trying to figure out
wondering.
where you're going to put your buy stop for it.
or the account. I think it's an hour and a half now before. I'm probably not gonna
Yeah, no, it's
sell
definitely don't.
pretty soon.
No. So the numbers, it's
But
predicting
I'm just
around
gonna watch
the
the
same.
yeah. So well, CPI is usually very high impact, so I think it'll
Yeah.
probably just build up.
Maybe it'll do
Especially
like what
'cause
I did when I blew my account, how it's like up and down, take everyone out.
yeah, maybe.
That's
Is
the
that what
worst.
happened when you traded news?
Yeah, it
It
went
stopped out and then it.
just tag fucking both things. Or stop, I don't even remember, but it fucked me up regardless.
Mm, is that before or after you did it with like heaps of trades?
It was when I lost a trade, and then I got angry, and then
Yeah.
I did another trade, lost that one, and then it was like, oh, news is about to hit. Let me just fucking, let me get angry and just go all in, and fucking blow that bitch.
Yeah.
Fun times.
Yeah. I don't think I've done that in a while. And I'm very thankful
Mm.
I haven't revenge traded in a long time.
Yeah, good.
I don't know when the last time was. It would have been earlier in the year.
Very good.
Yeah, I think yeah, it feels good. Feels good. Control.
Yeah, I had a fucking real issue with trading news because I won a fair bit with news just by putting a buy stop and a sell stop, and then when everyone gets activated, right? So I had a bad fucking habit of doing that, and I even had my boy don't trade news because I would just do that because
No.
overall you lose trading news more than what you win.
Yeah. So yeah, I like just I like looking at it and I'll be like, that's gonna be a buy, and I'm just like watching it.
Mm.
And then if I'm right, I'm like, I was right.
Yeah. See, but that even fucking burns in bad habits because the news,
I
no
never
one can
tried it.
predict what way the news is going to go. You just don't know.
No.
Like no one knows.
But
The only indication, sort of, is that like, and even Joe said the other day, is like it'll start to go in a certain direction, grabbing liquidity, and then push the other way. A lot, like
I look at the forecast.
but even that, like, it doesn't.
Mm.
It's like you just still don't know. It'll say, like, it'll
Yeah.
forecast that it's going to go long, and then it'll just go fucking mega short. It's like,
It was weird actually, because the news the other day was less than the forecast, which is meant to be bad for currency,
yeah.
but it shot up.
Mm.
And that's what confused me, because I thought it would make it decline, but it went up. And I was like,
Yeah.
really weird. Really weird.
I'm closing.
Around break even?
Yeah, I don't like that it's just close to news, and it's just, I just don't like.
Yeah, smart.
It's too fucking close to news. Like, even though in a normal world, this is like a nice setup for me.
Yeah, news. I think an hour and a half before news is like,
It's too risky.
well, your trades don't run too long, but I let mine run for a while. And I know if I was to open one, I'd be leaving it for like a while.
You leave it until news, gambler.
Yeah, it would probably like run through news.
Yeah, but that's just gambling.
If what?
That's just gambling.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't do it. Even though I did it the other day, but it was a nice setup.
The issue with that is, fucking, just say you entered like here, and your trade was about here, and then news hit, but news pushed it down, slippage would push your stop loss down, so you'd actually end up losing.
Yeah.
That's the fuck thing. It's not like you could like put your stops at break even there, but slippage would push it down to like fucking there. It's the worst.
Know the pain. We all know the pain.
But like I said, this is a fucking really nice setup for me, but like news, it's too close. It's always like choppy and unpredictable around news.
Yeah, I mean, even with New York open in an hour as well, so that'd be forward pro in itself.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's good. I had a day off with no trades.
What's that?
It's good. I had a day off with no trades. More cautious about entries as well.
Yeah. I caught a crazy $4 trade.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah. A lot.
Oh my god, I'm edging for fucking 200 in profit. Edging it. I was like, I do not remember the last time I've ever seen
position open on my personal.
Like right now?
Yeah, it's only 0.01. You can't see it's only 0.01.
You're in a buy right now on it?
Yeah, I took your trade.
Oh, you let it run.
Not even 10 pips on profit.
Look, it just broke fucking those wicks there. In a non-news world, that should fucking push.
Yeah, my ideal trade would have been way before, but that's okay.
Yeah, but it's not ideal because it went against what you would have done, right?
No, at 6 o'clock.
Oh.
Would have been my ideal setup. And yeah, it would have been, it would have very likely hit my TP and come to my zone.
I'd be I'd be cautious on that trade that you're in. Look how it's rejecting there.
Oh, it's on my personal account. It's in $277 account and 0.01 lots. So
okay.
Not too stressed, just let it run.
Alright, madam, I better fucking jump off.
Madam. Alright. I'm gonna run it.
I'll talk to you later.
Until soon.
Alright.
Good night.
See you later, good night.
Bye.
Alright, stream break even day. I am out.